The Barclays app. How to use the Barclays app to identify yourself when shopping online. If you're shopping online, you may be asked to identify yourself when making a payment. To get started, you'll need to switch on push notifications for the Barclays app. Otherwise, we'll send you a notification in the app or an OTP by text message. In the app, select More at the bottom of your homepage. Go to Settings and select Push Notifications. Then switch on Push Notifications. Make sure payment alerts are also switched on, which enable us to do our checks. You can use the Barclays app to confirm you're the one making the payment. After you've added your card details, tap Continue. Select Use the Barclays app from the drop-down menu. Then tap Continue. Select the push notification to open the app. Log into the app and confirm the transaction. Once we've confirmed it's you, we'll complete the transaction. And that's it.